Diphenhydramine. I do remember from the list. Okay, right, so it could have been a reaction to the... Thank God. Okay. Yes, she's resting right now. Yes. Absolutely. Yes, I will.
The season premiere of This Is Us is brought to you with limited commercial interruption by T-Mobile. T-Mobile, keeping you connected to your favorite show with America's largest 5G network.
T-Mobile's been building its 5G network for a moment like this. Introducing the iPhone 12 Pro with 5G. Now at T-Mobile, the leader in 5G coverage, you can unleash the power of the epic iPhone 12 Pro in more places. Get 2 iPhone 12 Pros and 2 lines of unlimited 5G for just $100. Only at T-Mobile, America's largest 5G network. Stand down.
I've been quested to bring this one back to its kind. If I can locate other Mandalorians, they can guide me. This is no place for a child. Wherever I go, he goes.